late night at Tony Stark's Enterprise. There's a major operation taking place.
The saga continues.
Hey, Paul, this shit is blazing like a motherfucker, man. Got my palms at you, nigga.
Yo, so you like it then?
Like it? Shit. I love this shit more than pussy on a Trisket.
Absolutely.
Delicious.
Yeah.
It's gonna sell. Yo, Paul, that's some abominable shit, man. I mean, this shit is like Rockwell meets Nelly type shit, you know? I think I could cross-promote this with that Gary Coleman Christmas record. That shit'll be bang.
Once again, Iron Man has taken over to change this cruel world.